Today I am out mountain bike 360 Gateway Park, located on the Gig Harbor Peninsula in Washington State. I got my buddy Joel with me. Joel, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. They just redid some of the jump lines. Evergreen Trail Company just built and rebuilt some jump lines, and we're gonna go check those things out today. So hang out with us.
That means the jump, and then I hit the next one. And then
It is officially open.
I need to chill because I was shaking so bad I wasn't even holding the bars.
Nice looking berms, huge tabletops. Wow. Big difference. Okay, just rolled through learning curve. Fast, big tabletops, huge berms. Same builder that did Port Gamble, if you've been to Port Gamble, so very similar. It's gonna be a great trail. Still pretty soft, but it's awesome. We're gonna hit it. Okay. Learning curve. Yeah, just not enough speed. Still pretty soft. There we go. Almost. Step up. Learning curve, you cannot brake. You have to carry your speed to clear those tabletops. I pulled too hard on the first jump and almost went off into the woods. Screwed me up for the rest of the line, but what do you think?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. It's built so well. I think once we get some more riding on it, it's gonna be packed down and be a lot faster, but it definitely loses a lot of speed. And you have to maintain your speed throughout that to clear all the tabletops. They're pretty big, but wow, built extremely well.
Totally different.
Totally different than the previous trail. Check it out. You! Uh-oh. The goose is back. Starting to rain.
Rain in the eye.
Dude, nice.
Yo!
Heading out.
What?
Oh, I'm just talking to myself. Instant Larry. Nice job. Good ride. 2 days of riding.
Huh?
2 days of riding.
Now I'm tired.
Pretty good for some old guys.
Oh. Now I'm there.
Okay, so we just got done riding the new jump line at 360. It was learning curve and OG, and amazing. I would say that OG is actually easier to ride than learning curve, only because learning curve is still pretty soft. Big old jumps and lips. Both jump lines are totally rebuilt, but pretty awesome, wouldn't you say? Yeah, definitely good. So get up to 360, check out the new jump line. Evergreen did an amazing job. Kudos to them. So go ride.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh man.
Here?
Yeah.